Welcome. Today we're diving into practical and proven guidelines for successful weight loss. Achieving and maintaining a healthy weight isn't just about dieting, it's about making sustainable lifestyle changes. We'll explore how balancing calorie intake with physical activity, making smart food choices, and building healthy habits can help you reach your goals. Whether you're just starting your journey or looking for ways to stay on track, these tips are designed to support you every step of the way. Let's begin by understanding the basics of weight loss and why a holistic approach matters. Weight loss fundamentally happens when you consume fewer calories than you burn. This means paying attention to both your diet and your activity level. Increasing your physical activity not only speeds up weight loss but also helps you maintain your results over time. It's important to discuss your ideal calorie intake and serving sizes with a registered dietitian, as everyone's needs are different. Remember, a balanced approach is key. Extreme restrictions can backfire and make it harder to stick with your plan. One of the most effective ways to stay accountable is by keeping a written journal of your food intake and physical activity. Recording what you eat and how much you move each day helps you spot patterns, identify triggers, and celebrate your progress. It's also a great tool for sharing with your healthcare provider or dietitian so they can help you make adjustments as needed. Tracking doesn't have to be complicated. A simple notebook or a digital app can do the trick. Weighing yourself once per week is a smart way to monitor your progress without becoming obsessed with the scale. For consistency, always weigh in at the same time of day, wearing similar clothing and using the same scale. This helps you get an accurate picture of your trends over time rather than worrying about daily fluctuations. Remember, weight can vary for many reasons, so focus on long-term progress rather than short-term changes. Eating breakfast every day sets a positive tone for your eating habits. Skipping meals, especially breakfast, can lead to extreme hunger later in the day, making it more likely you'll overeat or make poor food choices. A balanced breakfast helps stabilize your blood sugar and gives you energy to start your day. Try including protein, whole grains, and fruit for a satisfying and nutritious meal. Planning your meals and eating at regular times each day can help you avoid impulsive eating and unhealthy snacks. When you have a plan, you're less likely to reach for convenience foods or overeat. Try to schedule your meals and snacks around the same times each day and prepare healthy options in advance. This structure makes it easier to stick to your goals and maintain steady energy throughout the day. Choosing a specific area at home or work for eating can help you become more mindful about your meals. When you eat in the same place, you're less likely to eat out of boredom or distraction. Avoid eating in front of the TV or computer, as this can lead to overeating without realizing it. Creating a calm, dedicated space for meals encourages you to slow down and enjoy your food. Turning off the TV and computer during meals and snacks helps you focus on your food and recognize when you're full. Distractions can make it easy to overeat, as you're not paying attention to your body's hunger cues. Make mealtime a screen-free zone and use the opportunity to connect with family or simply enjoy your meal. This small change can make a big difference in your eating habits. Eating slowly gives your body time to register fullness, which can help prevent overeating. Aim to take about 30 minutes for each meal. Since it takes about 20 minutes for your brain to realize you're full, wait at least that long before considering a second serving. Savor each bite, chew thoroughly, and enjoy the flavors of your food. This mindful approach can help you feel satisfied with less. Starting your meal with protein-rich foods can help you feel full sooner and stay satisfied longer. Protein takes longer to digest and helps control hunger. Include lean meats, eggs, beans, or tofu as part of your meals. This strategy can make it easier to manage your portions and avoid unnecessary snacking later on. Learning to read food labels is a powerful tool for managing your portions and making healthier choices. Pay attention to serving sizes, calories, and the amounts of fat, sugar, and fiber. Compare products and choose options with less fat and sugar and more fiber. This habit empowers you to make informed decisions and avoid hidden calories. Fiber-rich foods like fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains help you feel full and support healthy digestion. They're also packed with vitamins and minerals. Try to include a variety of colorful produce and whole grains in your meals. Reducing fat and sugar while increasing fiber can make a big difference in your weight loss journey. Restaurant and fast food meals often contain more calories, fat, and sugar than homemade meals. Limiting how often you eat out can help you stay on track. When you do eat out, look for healthier options, control your portions, and avoid high-calorie extras like appetizers and sugary drinks. Preparing more meals at home gives you greater control over ingredients and portion sizes. If you tend to overeat certain foods, it's best not to keep them around the house or at work. These problem foods are often high in fat, sugar, or salt and can sabotage your efforts. Instead, stock your kitchen and workspace with healthy snacks and ingredients. Out of sight, out of mind really works when it comes to making better choices. Drinking enough fluids is essential for overall health and can help with weight loss. Aim for at least 8 cups or 64 ounces of liquids per day. Focus on calorie-free, caffeine-free beverages like water or herbal tea. Staying hydrated can also help you feel full and prevent mistaking thirst for hunger. Adequate sleep is often overlooked but plays a crucial role in weight management. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Poor sleep can increase hunger and cravings, making it harder to stick to your healthy habits. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine and prioritize rest as part of your overall wellness plan. You prepare your food matters just as much as what you eat. Use low-fat cooking methods like baking, grilling, boiling, poaching, broiling, roasting, steaming, or microwaving without adding extra fat. Avoid or limit frying and let fat drain off meats by using a rack. These techniques help reduce unnecessary calories while keeping your meals tasty and satisfying. Before cooking, remove the skin from poultry and trim all visible fat from meats. Using non-stick cookware or cooking sprays can also help you prepare meals with less added fat. Small changes like these add up over time and make your meals healthier without sacrificing flavor. Simple ingredient swaps can make your favorite recipes healthier. Use egg whites or egg substitutes instead of whole eggs, and season foods with spices, lemon, or low-fat dressings instead of butter or cream sauces. Replace sugar with sugar substitutes that are suitable for baking or cooking. These tweaks help lower calories and fat while keeping meals delicious. Be mindful of high-fat sauces and gravies such as sour cream, regular salad dressings, full-fat gravy, and creamy cheese sauces. These can quickly add extra calories and fat to your meals. Opt for lighter dressings, broth-based sauces, or simply use less of the high-fat options to keep your meals balanced. In dining out or ordering takeout, start with a salad with light dressing or a broth-based soup. Choose dishes prepared with low-fat cooking methods and request sauces or dressings on the side. Consider sharing an entree or placing part of your meal in a take-home container before you start eating. These strategies help you enjoy eating out without overindulging. Carrying a pocket-sized calorie counter book or using a calorie tracking app can help you make healthier choices when eating out or shopping for groceries. These tools provide quick access to nutrition information, making it easier to stay within your calorie goals and avoid surprises. Understanding portion sizes is key to balanced eating. For protein, one serving is about 3 ounces of meat, poultry, or fish, roughly the size of a deck of cards. Other options include 1.5 cups of cooked beans, half a cup of tofu, or 2 eggs. Choosing lean proteins and keeping portions in check helps you get the nutrients you need without excess calories. For bread and starches, a serving is typically half a cup of rice, pasta, or cereal, 1 slice of bread, or half a small bagel. Opt for whole grains like brown rice, oatmeal, and whole grain bread more often. These choices provide more fiber and nutrients, helping you feel full and energized. A serving of fruit is about 1 small piece, half a cup of cut-up fruit, or half a cup of fruit juice. Fresh, frozen, or canned fruits without added sugar are best. Limit fruit juices and sweetened fruit products as they can add extra calories without the fiber found in whole fruit. Aim for at least 3 servings of vegetables each day, with 1 serving being half a cup. Fresh, frozen, or canned vegetables prepared without added fat are all good choices. Broth-based vegetable soups are another healthy option. Vegetables are low in calories and high in nutrients, making them a cornerstone of a healthy diet. For dairy, a serving is 8 ounces of milk or yogurt, 1 ounce of cheese, or a quarter cup of cottage cheese. Choose non-fat or low-fat options more often to reduce saturated fat and calories. Dairy provides important nutrients like calcium and protein, so include it as part of a balanced diet. Fats should be used sparingly. 1 serving is about a teaspoon of butter or oil or a tablespoon of reduced-fat margarine or mayonnaise. Limit high-fat foods like bacon grease, cream, and full-fat dressings. Instead, use small amounts of healthy fats and focus on flavoring foods with herbs, spices, and citrus. Foods high in fat and sugar but low in nutrients like sodas, candy, pastries, and fried foods are considered empty-calorie foods. These items can quickly add up and derail your progress. Enjoy them only occasionally, if at all, and focus on nutrient-dense foods that support your health and weight loss goals. Some foods and drinks contain 20 calories or less per serving and can be enjoyed more freely. These include mineral water, salsa, spices, sugar-free gelatin, vinegar, broth, coffee, tea, and fat-free dressings. Using these options can help add flavor and variety to your meals without adding significant calories. It can be tricky to estimate portion sizes, but visual comparisons help. For example, 3 ounces of meat is about the size of a deck of cards, 1 ounce of cheese is like 4 dice, and a serving of fruit is about the size of a tennis ball. Using measuring cups and a food scale can help you learn what appropriate portions look like. Using smaller plates, bowls, and glasses can help you control serving sizes and prevent overeating. When your plate looks full, you're more likely to feel satisfied with less food. This simple trick can make a big difference in your daily calorie intake without feeling deprived. Measuring cups and food scales are valuable tools for learning what a serving size really looks like. Use them to measure both dry and liquid foods as well as cooked meats and nuts. Over time, you'll become more confident in estimating portions, making it easier to stick to your plan. Food labels provide important information about serving sizes, calories, and nutrients. Pay attention to the serving size and the number of servings per container. Look for foods low in total fat, saturated fat, trans fat, cholesterol, and sodium. Choose options high in dietary fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Comparing labels helps you make the healthiest choices. In reading labels, aim for foods with 3 grams or less of total fat and 5 grams or less of sugar per serving. For milk and yogurt, keep sugar to 12 grams or less per serving. Choose starches with at least 3 grams of dietary fiber per serving. These guidelines help you select foods that support your weight loss and health goals. Physical activity is a key part of weight loss and maintenance. Before starting any new exercise routine, consult your doctor. Begin slowly and work toward a goal of 30 to 90 minutes of moderate intensity activity most days of the week. Find activities you enjoy and spread them throughout your day for the best results. Choose physical activities you genuinely enjoy, whether it's walking, dancing, swimming, or biking. Vary your routine to avoid boredom and keep things interesting. Listening to music or exercising with a friend can make the experience more fun and help you stay motivated. Rewarding yourself for reaching activity goals can boost motivation. Treat yourself to new sports equipment, a relaxing bath, or extra time on your favorite hobby. Non-food rewards help reinforce your healthy habits and make the journey more enjoyable. Don't let bad weather derail your activity plans. Have a backup, like walking in a shopping mall or following an indoor workout video. Keeping a flexible mindset ensures you stay active no matter the circumstances. Integrate more movement into your daily life. Take the stairs instead of the elevator, park farther away, or walk instead of driving short distances. Small changes add up and help make physical activity a natural part of your routine. Using a pedometer or fitness tracker can help you monitor your daily steps and set achievable goals. Tracking your activity is motivating and provides a sense of accomplishment as you see your progress over time. Treat exercise like any other important appointment. Schedule it on your calendar. Whether you prefer to work out in the morning, during lunch, or after work, having a set time increases your chances of sticking with it. Consistency is key for long-term success. There are many helpful books and websites available to support your weight loss journey. Resources like Thin for Life, The Complete Cooking Light Cookbook, and reputable sites such as the American Dietetic Association offer practical advice, recipes, and community support. Take advantage of these tools to stay informed and inspired. Successful weight loss is about building habits you can maintain for life. Focus on gradual changes, celebrate your progress, and be patient with yourself. Remember, setbacks are normal. What matters most is getting back on track and continuing to move forward. With the right mindset and support, you can achieve your goals. Congratulations on taking the first steps toward a healthier you. Remember, weight loss is a journey, not a race. By combining mindful eating, regular physical activity, and positive habits, you're setting yourself up for long-term success. Stay committed, seek support when needed, and celebrate every victory along the way. Your health and well-being are worth the effort.